Here's how to loose lace Adidas Campus. Begin by taking your lace, and what we're going to do is thread each lace end down into the two very bottom eyelets on either side, from above like this. So feed one down, don't pull it through all the way, pop it out the way, find the other lace end and do the exact same. Feed it down into the very bottom eyelet from above. Then what you want to do before you pull all this excess lace through is take a hold of your two lace ends at the same length, pinch them, and then just pull that lace all the way through, making sure there's no twists. Doing this little trick will mean your laces come out of equal length and you don't have to fiddle around making sure that they're even. Then we're going to keep a hold of this lace and we're going to bring it over the sneaker tongue and down into the second eyelet up from the bottom on this side. So just bring it down into that one like this, pull it all the way through. Great, and you don't want to pull it through too tight, you want it to have a little bit of slack like this. Pop that lace out the way and we're going to swap to the other one and we're going to do the same with this on the other side. We're going to take it down into the second eyelet up from the bottom from above. Now remember, you can play this video on a half speed or just pause as much as you want and go slowly to follow along with me. There's literally no rush. Great, once we've done that, keep a hold of the lace we were just using and we're going to do the same, take it over the sneaker tongue and down into the next available eyelet from above, pull it through, making sure there's a little bit of slack, swap back to the other one, do the same on the other side, take it down into the next available eyelet from above, making sure it's not pulled through too tightly. Awesome. Then we're going to keep a hold of this lace, take it over the sneaker tongue, down into the next available eyelet from above. Looking good. Same with the other lace. Take it over and down into the next available eyelet from above. You're doing great and the pattern's come along nice. Now we're going to keep hold of this lace, take it over and take it down into the next empty eyelet. Just like this. Swap back to the other one, do the exact same. You might want to take a second here, make sure you like how all the laces are crossing over each other and think it looks nice and clean. Then we're going to keep a hold of this lace, bring it over the sneaker tongue, and we're going to go down into the second eyelet from the top this time. If your sneakers have more or less eyelets than me, that'll just mean that you have a different shoe size. Don't worry, just keep going with the exact same pattern. And when you get to the second eyelet from the top, remember we're going down into that one from above for the last time on either side. Now you might be wondering, what are we going to do with the top final eyelet? And that's where the cool loose lace pattern starts to deviate from the standard pattern. What you want to do is keep a hold of this lace and we're going to go up into the final eyelet from underneath this time. So just fish around, find the eyelet and go up into it from underneath. Then you want to pull your lace through around about this much. Don't worry about this excess, just leave it there. Swap back to the other one. Do the same on the other side, go up into the final eyelet from underneath and pull through around about this much lace. Now with these excess laces, all we're going to do is we're going to slip it behind the sneaker tongue. Doing it this way means that you'll be able to see the nice Adidas logo on the tongue and it looks really fresh. Slipping those laces underneath the tongue shouldn't bother your feet at all. They're very, very soft and your feet will just slip into the shoe and you'll be able to take them on and off no problem. Repeat on the other shoe and you'll have a really awesome pair of loose lace Adidas Campus. If you found the info in this video helpful, please hit the like button for me to help it reach more people and consider subscribing for more sneaker lacing content. I have loads of videos available for you guys. Thanks.